This is a really brief overview of what it means to be an intermediate in a reaction. So the following mechanism has been proposed for the decomposition of nitrous oxide. We have step 1, which is slow. This is our rate limiting step. And we have step 2, which is fast. And we're asked which species is an intermediate in the reaction. So I'm going to go over briefly what it means to be an intermediate in a reaction. So an intermediate is produced in one step of a mechanism, but then it's consumed in another step. So overall, what it really means is that this intermediate is not present in our net reaction. So looking at this mechanism, we can see that in step 1, we produce nitrogen and oxygen in the form of monoxide. And nitrogen, even after step 2, is still present. So in our net reaction, nitrogen is a product. So that's not an intermediate. But monoxide is produced in step 1, but then immediately consumed in step 2, and it's not present in our overall reaction. If we add these two reactions together, our monoxide will end up canceling, and that's also a good way to think about it. So while we do have diatomic oxygen present as a net product, our intermediate in this case is monoxide. And this is different than a catalyst, which is present initially in the reactants and finally in the products. An intermediate is produced and then consumed throughout the mechanism.